everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a few Halloween cards that I made today on World Card Making Day. So let's get started. So the first card that I made, it's a cute little simple card, and this is a card made from Recollection 6x6 paper pad. I think it's a Raven Shed Manor, and I used the Simon Says stamps. Stamp set is Brouhaha stamp set for this cute little boo. I used the Hero Art Shadowing Soft Granite. And this black cardstock is by Bazille, and it's the onyx color. And then I distressed the edges with the Tonic Studio Paper Distress tool. And I just love how simple and kind of spooky looking the tree is. So that's why I wanted the boo not to be, like all in your face. I want it to be kind of spooky and super simple. You can barely see the distressing. It's just a super simple Halloween card. And the second card I made is, let's see, it's a lot blingier for sure. And this one I used the Cricut Gold glitter cardstock here, and then the Bazille cardstock in Bazille orange. And then from America Crafts Remix, I used these Halloween puffy stickers. It says Halloween, and then it has the little spiders. And then from America Crafts, I used the Halloween dolly. So I thought this is super simple, cute little card that I'll send out. I like it. The next card is one that I used, the Spell Cast 6x6 paper. It was really popular last year, and I used the actual stickers to match that by American Craft. They're the Spell Cast stickers, and that's all I did. I just used the paper from the 6x6 paper pad. I used some craft paper I have in my cardstock. Some cardstock I have in my stash, and I'm sure it's Bazille. And then I used the stickers. And once again, really easy, simple, but I love it. It looks kind of elegant and a little spooky, just a little bit. Perfect. And the next card is my favorite. This is one that I used, the Tim Holtz 8x8 paper pad, and it's by the thickers by American Crafts. Those thickers, once again, Spell Cast. I used this Martha Stewart craft decoupage piece that I cut in half, and I used black cardstock from Bazille, and it's the onyx color. And then I distressed the edges a little bit with the distress edge tool. So, this is really cute. I really like this card. It's going to be hard for me to mail this card out because I like it so much. Do you guys have that problem too? So that's the 4 cards I made today on World Card Making Day or National Card Making Day, whichever it is. That's this card. And then the smaller one using the Spellcast stickers. The one using the American Crafts little spider web. And the super simple one using the really pretty paper from Recollections, and it's called Raven Shed Manor, and then it just says boo. So let me know what you think about my cards. Let me know below. If you're new to my channel, welcome, subscribe. If you are a current subscriber, thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.